In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Meeting Organizer Owner in Outlook. While Outlook doesn't let you switch the organizer on an existing event, there are two reliable ways to hand off ownership without losing your meeting details or confusing attendees. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the one that fits your situation. First, let's use a quick copy and recreate method. Open Outlook and go to your calendar. Click the meeting you want to transfer so the calendar tools appear, then choose Meeting, go to Respond, and click Reply All. Don't worry, we're not actually going to send a reply. This step captures the attendee list and meeting context into an email draft so we can repurpose it. Press Ctrl S to save that draft, then close the window. Now switch to Mail View and open your Drafts folder. Select the draft you just saved. On the Home tab, click Meeting. Outlook will convert that draft into a new meeting invitation with the original subject, attendee list, and much of the body content carried over. Review everything carefully. Adjust the time, location, or meeting notes if needed, and add any conferencing details or attachments that might not have copied. When it looks right, send the invitation. Finally, ask the original organizer to cancel the old meeting so attendees don't end up with duplicates on their calendars. The second approach is the cleanest when coordination is easy: cancel and recreate. In Calendar, open the target meeting while signed in as the current organizer. Click Delete or Cancel to remove the event. Outlook will notify all attendees automatically, which helps avoid confusion. Next, the new organizer creates a fresh meeting with the same details, time, attendees, and notes and sends the invitations. This method is straightforward, keeps everyone in sync, and is especially good for recurring series because the cancellation ensures the old series is fully removed before the new one goes out. That's it. Thanks for watching.